Hello viewers, welcome to the official channel of Heritage Model School. Today I am going to share the Montessori method with you, so keep watching. Montessori is a method of education that is based on self-directed activity, hand-on-hand learning and collaborative play. In Montessori classroom, children make creative choice in their learning, while the classroom and the highly trained teacher offer age-appropriate activities to guide the process. The Montessori theory is a method of teaching developed by Maria Montessori, where the key principles are independence, observation, following the child, correcting the child, prepare environment and observant mind. The Montessori theory, methods, concepts and foundation principles can be applied across all ages. The Montessori method is characterized by providing a prepared environment, tidy, pleasing in appearance, simple and real, where every element exists for a reason in order to help in the development of the child. In Montessori, the curriculum is embedded within a learning environment or classroom in the form of carefully designed sequence range of hand-on learning materials and activities guided by the Montessori teacher. The child explores the materials independently, and this is when the learning occurs. The Montessori teacher is less like the traditional idea of an instructor and more like a gentle guide. They didn't consider it their job to give a child information. They rather lead children in the general direction and give them tools they need to find the information themselves. In this method, children can learn all subjects like language, math, social science or environment, art and craft. See, I also prepare some TLM using just chart paper, and I write the numbers from 1 to 10 and I use bright colors to make the numbers attractive. And the kid is just took all the numbers card and he is just arranging the numbers by his own self, and he is doing this work. Nobody is giving any instructor or any command over him. He is just doing this work by himself, and in this way he will be able to learn all the numbers in right order. He is arranging all the numbers from 1 to 10. This is also a Montessori method. Yes, see, he is matching the both lines but not using any pencil or any other educational tool, but he is learning the numbers. He is just searching all the numbers. He is actively doing this work. See, he is running, he is hopping and also learn. Also he is learning the numbers. So viewers, in this way I also try to make my classroom interesting for the kids, Hope you all understand my method, and you will also try this. You can also try this at your home as well as in your classroom. Thank you all for watching the video. Bye bye.